In this video, we explore some answers to this question: how do I start making marketing videos? Well, make sure you stay tuned and listen to the next few minutes of this video carefully, because I am going to give you the steps and some powerful strategies to help you see success with an online video marketing strategy. These steps are ideal even for beginners. So, I suggest that you avoid all distractions and pay attention to the things I am going to share with you. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so you do not miss any new videos. Please make sure you give the video a like, because that tells me you find these videos useful. Thank you. So let's get into it. So to begin with, let me tell you that with sound, images, music and other engaging elements, video marketing has all the bells and whistles to attract viewers. It's projected that adults will spend 80 minutes per day watching digital video in 2023. Marketers and small business owners need to take note of this if they want to develop their video marketing strategy on social media. I will now give you some steps and powerful strategies which can help you get started with video marketing. Here we go. So the first strategy is to set goals for your online video marketing strategy. At the beginning of any new marketing strategy, there's a need to set goals. What do you want your videos to accomplish for your online business? If you're just starting out, I recommend creating only a few goals so you don't become overwhelmed. An example of a video marketing goal would be creating brand awareness. But with the right script and creativity, your video marketing strategy can do more than support a prospect's awareness of your business or your brand. It can also guide them through the decision stage of their buyer's journey, educate customers on their brand new purchase, and fuel a brand's advocacy plans. There are 5 stages of a typical marketing funnel, and videos can fall easily into each stage as long as you develop your social media video marketing strategy to target them. As you reflect on what your goals are for your video marketing strategy, consider where they'll fall within each stage of the buyer's journey and use it to inspire your social media video ideas. Setting your goals and identifying the funnel stage will help you create highly effective calls to action in your video content as well. Let me now give you 5 examples that you can achieve within each funnel stage. Here we go. Awareness. Reach new customers. If you're like the majority of social marketers, brand awareness is your top goal. In the first stage of the buyer's journey, brands and businesses are trying to capture consumers' attention and introduce themselves. Social media video marketing is a great medium to reach new customers and show them who you are and what you value, what your brand offers, and what differentiates it from your competitors. With video, you may only have seconds or minutes to capture your audience's attention, so get right to the point when you're creating awareness stage video content for your audience. For example, eye-catching educational videos or opinionated thought leadership can establish credibility and your brand identity. So when consumers have purchase intent, your brand is at the top of people's minds. For some businesses and brands, videos are used heavily for advertising. They may start on a product page on the website and then branch out to land in a social ad. Others create videos only for social media ads. This is especially useful for direct-to-consumer brands like Low & Sons, where product videos are necessary to help the consumer picture themselves with the product. Here is the next stage of the funnel: consideration. Generate demand. Once consumers have reached the consideration stage, they may know about your business or brand and what you offer, but it's still your job to generate demand for your products and services. There are several ways you can achieve this goal with social media video marketing. For example, how-tos and tutorials show your product in action and make it easy for the consumer to envision how they might use the product themselves. Businesses and brands in the skincare, makeup and beauty industry like ColourPop are masters of consideration stage videos. You can bet that whenever ColourPop has a sale or giveaway going, they will share short and long form social media videos of makeup artists, influencers and real customers applying their products. Consumers can see the smoothness of foundations, colour pigment of eyeshadows, creaminess of lipsticks and other visual markers that will catch their attention in these videos. When people can see how your product works or how other people use your services to solve a problem or take away a pain point that they have, they can visualize themselves doing the same thing. Animated explainer videos can be an alternative option to live action demonstrations. While they might be a bit more abstract, there's still an opportunity to put the customer's problem into perspective and introduce your services as the solution. Consideration stage videos don't have to focus solely on your products or services either. Consumers also consider a company's or business's culture and core values before committing to being their customer. Data from the Sprout Social Index shows company alignment with personal values is 74% more important to consumers than it was in 2021. I suggest that you lean into this consumer interest by using video to highlight your brand's story and core values so you can establish an emotional connection with your audience, making it more likely they'll choose your company or business over a competitor. Here is the next stage of the funnel: decision, drive conversion. The decision stage is the point when your goal is to turn prospects into customers. Here, customer testimonial videos can go a long way to show the real potential and payoff of your products and services. The decision-making stage is the final conversion stage of the buyer's journey, at which your potential customers makes a decision based on their research. Your goal is to help them make a positive decision and finally become your client. That's when the final conversion happens. By this stage, a target person has become more loyal to you, and you should use this to educate less and promote more. 65% of B2B customers claim that the vendor's content influences their buying decision, so this is your time to shine. As always, make sure you can answer these journey stage specific questions. What do customers appreciate about your offer the most? What scares them off? How many people are involved in the decision-making process? Let me give you some more. Here we go. What influences the decision? Do buyers expect a trial before making the final decision? And do prospects have to make any preparations before making a purchase? As for the content marketing videos, the best promotion is the product or service itself. So here's what you can offer to improve conversions on your videos. The first is a free trial. Works great for digital products. If you sell software, digital services or tools, allow your potential clients to try it for a week, 2 or even a month. Once your potential client sees the benefits and results, you can be sure they won't just leave. Put a call to action to try your product or service for free into your video marketing. The next one is demos. Similar to a free trial, but instead of letting your potential client test it on their own, you show them how your product or service works in your videos based on their specific needs. Demos are usually held by sales reps or account managers, and they can convert a person to a client right during at the demo. A demo is a good chance to offer a coupon or a discount that works for a limited time. Make sure to offer your target audience to schedule a demo in your video, or you can do this by sending out some emails to potential clients. The next one is an expert opinion. Similar to a consultation, an expert opinion is usually more focused on assessing the potential client's problem by an expert and providing them with an expert advice on how to solve it. An expert opinion is more personalized and private. You can use a CTA in your videos, and it would also work well in email campaigns that offers to schedule a meeting with your in-house expert. The next one is estimates and quotes. A piece of personalized content that is very close to the actual conversion. When a person requests a quote or you've successfully marketed your quote, it means that the potential client is really hot. Make sure to add more info with your quote and mention the benefits. For example, a one-off payment instead of a recurring fee, or a volume discount that was applied to the price. Include a CTA for a quote request in your videos, and you also may want to add them into your emails to see how many of your potential clients are truly interested and willing to become your clients. The next one is coupons and discount codes. Probably the most well-known method of converting people that are going through the last stage of the buyer's journey. A good practice is to use a CTA to request a coupon or a discount. Thus, you can evaluate and score a person before providing them with a discount. You may know about Instant's iconic pressure cookers and appliances, but people may be surprised and delighted to find out the brand has a tight-knit community on Facebook. Instant Pot's community features videos from the brand and from the members. Although there are a few product videos, the page focuses on what customers can create using Instant's home appliances. Here is the next strategy: adoption. Educate your customers. It's not just marketers who want to make sure they're seeing a return on their investments. Once a prospect becomes a customer and enters the adoption stage, educate them about how they can get the most out of your products and services. This kind of fun, energetic how-to video is ideal for platforms like YouTube, Facebook, or IGTV, where people are willing to spend a bit of time watching and learning. Let me tell you about the options you have. Here we go. Educational video. If your products or services have a lot of bells and whistles, features based on specific needs, or there's a learning curve that comes with them, lean into educating your audience. Content that's focused on hacks, tips, optimization, or special features can put complexities into perspective and make customers more confident. Webinars. These can be highly effective mediums. They give customers a chance to engage with your brand in real time, ask questions, and get answers they're looking for. The next is live stream. Going live can help you capture a broader audience, but it's your biggest fans and existing followers who are most likely to tune in. And live is the third most engaging type of in-feed content according to much data. Unlike posts that show up in people's feeds, Instagram live streams appear at the top of the interface at the beginning of stories. Followers who have their app open when you go live will also receive a notification that you're broadcasting, so they can easily tune in to get the latest from your brand. Now, I have a question for you. Which strategy from this video are you going to use first? Leave a comment under the video and let me know. So, all the things that I have covered in this tutorial will help you start making marketing videos. If you want more help with video marketing, make sure you click the link in the description under the video now and check out the YouTube Channel Hacker online course. It will give you all the digital skills, training and knowledge you need to create a profitable business from start to finish. It breaks down video marketing with YouTube to a simple step-by-step process, which anyone can learn over a weekend, and it can help you or be used to start a new career. It can help you start a new business venture. And if you're interested in that, which I hope you are, click the link in the description under this video now and check it out. I hope that you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it, and tell people about it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please give the video a like. If you have any questions, please leave a comment under the video and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.